The purpose of this training video is to review procedures for emergency shower and eye wash station testing. In this presentation you will gain an understanding of the general requirements for operation and maintenance of the emergency shower and eye wash stations, be able to identify the appropriate type of personal protective equipment required when testing, examine the necessary steps involved in the testing procedure, determine what to do in the event the equipment is damaged, ascertain the required employee training elements to incorporate into your program. You will find additional guidance to supplement this training in our College of Ag Emergency Shower and Eye Wash Station Standard of Practice.
Time is of the essence when exposed to hazardous materials. A few seconds can make a difference between a minor injury or an injury that is life-threatening. My name is John Gamble, here at Kansas State University. With me today is Gordon Smith, head of the Grain Science and Industry. Dr. Smith will share a chemical spill incident he experienced as an undergraduate chemistry student. He will describe the importance of having conveniently available and functioning emergency equipment.
Thanks, John. It's great to be with you this morning. As you mentioned, when I was an undergraduate worker in the chemistry laboratory, I witnessed an acid spill on a young co-ed. And a quick-thinking professor took that co-ed and placed her underneath a safety shower, much like this one. Those actions, while not saving your life, it wasn't life-threatening, prevented her from serious scarring and saved her from kind of lifetime consequences of that action.
Gordon, thank you very much for sharing that incident with us.
No, you're welcome. It's my pleasure.
Improperly maintained equipment may contaminate the water supply. Contaminated waters from showers or eye washes can cause very serious health conditions such as permanent vision loss, pneumonia, and skin damage. The Occupational Health and Safety Administration, OSHA, 29 CFR 1910.151C states, where the eyes or body of any person may be exposed to injurious corrosive material, suitable facilities for quick drenching or flushing of eyes and body shall be provided within the work area for immediate use. In addition, emergency equipment should be located in laboratories where there is exposure to biological materials. The ANSI standard is used as the general guide for equipment selection, installation, operation, and maintenance. Number 1. Pre-planning is important. Know the location of the emergency shutoff valves. Inspect the equipment looking for corrosion, leaks, or damage. Number 2. Check the access route to the eye wash station, emergency shower equipment. Access should be on the same level, immediately available, and have an unobstructed path with a travel distance of 10 seconds or less. If strong acid or bases are used, it should be located next to the workstation. Number 3. Check that the adequate signage is posted. The equipment area should be well lit and have highly visible signs posted. Number 4. Water should flow at a continuous rate for at least 15 minutes. The temperature should be tepid, lukewarm, which is considered to be between 60 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Eye wash station flow should be delivered at a rate of low velocity as to not be injurious to the user's eyes. The shower water rate is to be no less than 20 gallons per minute. Number 5. Eye wash stations and showers should be tested weekly by the departments. Number 6. Testing should be recorded either using a tag similar to this that can be attached to the unit or the inspection form located in the standard of practice, which can be posted near the unit where it will not become damaged. Personnel testing the equipment should wear the appropriate personal protective equipment that includes gloves, lab coat or apron, and goggles to prevent personal contamination. Basic eye wash station testing instructions. There are a variety of different eye wash stations. Operational instructions are provided by the manufacturer. Open the valve indicator, which must be easily located and readily accessible to the user. It must be hands-free and be able to activate within 1 second or less. Once activated, evaluate the fluid to determine if it was directed at the proper angles to flush the eyes. Allow for a continuous flow of water for 3 to 5 minutes or until water is clear. Close the valve and replace the protective caps onto the unit. Record on the tag or form the inspection date and include your initials. Basic emergency shower testing instructions. There are a variety of different emergency showers. Operational instructions are provided by the manufacturer. Additional equipment needed: 1 55-gallon barrel on a cart, 1 funnel curtain, an extension wand. If you do not have a floor drain, you may need a sump pump. To access the testing equipment storage location, contact your supervisor. Place the barrel directly underneath the shower head. Position the curtain funnel above or level with the shower head. Activate the shower by pulling down on the handle. The handle should be located no more than 69 inches from the floor and activate the water flow within 1 second or less. Water should flow at a rate of 20 gallons per minute. Flush until water is clear. Once clear, shut off the unit. Water can be disposed of using a floor drain or by pumping it out into a nearby sink. Record on the tag or form the inspection date and use your initials. An important note: drench hoses are designed to support emergency showers and eye washes, not a substitute. Each department is responsible to provide the appropriate employee training to include equipment location, equipment operation, how to flush eyes or body, what to do if a worker is exposed, how to seek medical assistance. In the event the test fails, you should notify your supervisor and mark the equipment "Do Not Use" and have the equipment repaired immediately. In this video, we have discussed the importance of properly functioning equipment during an emergency event. Faculty and staff in each department must do their part to test and verify that their emergency response equipment is properly functioning. Please refer to the College of Agriculture website at agsafe@ksu.edu for additional information. Thank you for your support and commitment to the Environmental Health and Safety Management program here at K-State. Together, we make a difference.